guys! So, for today, I will show you how I do my skincare at night before going to bed. Actually, very simple lang siya. It's a 2-step skincare routine. You know, I'm a simple girl. I'm a simple girl. Charot. The first one is, of course, I removed my makeup first. I forgot the name of the cleanser, but it's from Korea. And then after that, after I remove my makeup, I just use this one. Ano ba to? Pantacel? Hindi ko alam kung ano yung basa. But it's from BioHeal. It's just a cream mist. Mist lang siya. For my skin barrier. Charot! Hindi ko alam. Initially freebie lang talaga to. May maliit lang akong, when I went to Korea last time, I got a freebie from Olive Young na it's a small version of this one. As in yung mga tester lang. Tapos, parang I feel like nahiyang ako doon. Parang okay naman yung skin ko doon. So, I bought the, like a full-size one. So, ito siya. Then I just, lather it on my skin. Ano siya? Light lang yung feeling niya. Medyo, may konting lagkit. But, pag natuyo naman siya, medyo okay naman na siya. After that, tuyo lang ng konti. And then, I use this one. So, Dr. Althea 147. This one is for normal to dry skin types. Actually, hindi talaga ito yung dapat for me because I'm very oily. But then, my sister kasi told me na this one is okay also. Parang the 345 is more if you have, I don't know, I'm not sure, parang may acne, ganun. I don't have acne naman. I don't have like any pimples. When I first tried this one, parang nagpimple ako. So, I stopped using it. Sabi ko, sayang naman. Ang mahal kasi, girl. Sayang yung bili ko. Sabi ko, sige nga, try ko ulit. Baka naman nagkataon lang na nagpimple ako. And I don't know, for some reason, hindi na ako nagpipimple sa kanya. So, ginagamit ko na siya. And ang dami niya pa. Grabe. Feeling ko worth it naman yung presyo nito. Kasi ang laki niya and konti lang goes a long way na talaga. So, ay, ito na. Ganyan. Para lang siyang moisturizer. And I use it lang at night, every day. Don't forget your neck. Okay na ba? Wala akong salamin while I'm doing this. It's like a blind, And then, that's it. 2 steps lang, di ba? Kasi, tamad talaga kasi ako mag-skincare. This is the best that I can do, I mean. Parang, I cannot do anymore. Yeah. Ito pala may salamin pala ako. Patingin